Hey, Keith McCrone here from Automotive Specialty Services, and I want to talk about something that's near and dear to my heart, and I'm sure it's near and dear to your heart. There's not one person I know that has not been affected by this in some way, shape, or form, and I'm talking about breast cancer. We're trying to put a stop to breast cancer. What we're doing is we're supporting the Cleveland Clinic Breast Cancer Vaccine Fund. We have so for the last 15 years in conjunction with another 134 shops across the country to put a stop to breast cancer. And how are we doing that? We're offering you free breaks. Your friends, neighbors, and your family as well. If you think you need breaks, give us a call at 937-2886 or just stop on by. We'll do a free brake inspection. And if you need brakes, we're giving you the brake pads for free. And how are we helping support the Cleveland Clinic? Well, 10% of the proceeds from any brake job goes off to the Cleveland Clinic Breast Cancer Vaccine Fund. As always, we appreciate your business.